So with more time inside, do you have a go-to cleaning product that you recommend?
You know, I always joke, Dana, that I'm the fanciest hippie you know because I love natural cleaning products, but I actually want it to get the job done. So I found this new Rejuvenate Naturals line for your floor, which always need the most help in my house, and it will help out any surface. So stone, wood, laminate, tile. It's going to get rid of that dirt and grime, but it's gentle enough to use when my kid's playing Legos in the house, my cat's running around. It uses Rejuvenate develops green hybrid technology, so it's plant-based, so it's not going to leave behind streaks like most natural cleaners are soap-based, because when the soap leaves behind those streaks, you're cleaning more. No thank you. Nobody wants to clean more. So check out this Rejuvenate Naturals line, just a great plant-based natural cleaner.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.